Wow, to head instructor, advanced, intermediate, and beginner level students. Welcome.
I am 5 years old, and I do Kung Fu black sash training.
Horse stance center. Cross stance left.
I wanted to take Kung Fu because it looked like a lot of fun to me.
She was in ballet and she was very bored. She wanted something a little more active, a little more challenging. And after watching for a few months, I decided I should join the school as well.
I was just like, yeah, Kung Fu. It is challenging at times, but then once you get the hang of it, it's really fun and easy, and it seems like an everyday thing.
Hi!
I wasn't sure if he'd like it, so we did the trial period. The first day he was excited, and he declared he was a little dragon. So I said, okay, we're gonna do it.
Shay, he's been taken with Master Gohring for almost 2 years now. And then she watched class for about a year, finally said, Mom, I'm ready for Kung Fu. I was made for Kung Fu. And so he did say that.
Ready, stand.
What I like about working with Master Gohring is how he goes the speed we need.
Move together. 2. Hi!
What I like most is probably staff.
Cat stance 3.
I think my favorite is crane stances, and staff fighting.
Slide 1. Slide 2.
I would say to someone who was considering joining the school that it's an amazing community of people and that you'll be really proud to come here every week.
If you're thinking about doing it, I'd definitely say to do it.
Just jump in and do it. You don't have to really know what you're doing. In fact, every day I come to class not knowing what I'm doing.
I don't know how to explain this Kung Fu school, but I love it.
Good class. Very good.